On today's episode, we have an unboxing brought to you by
Husic.
Husic. What's up, guys? Dutch here.
And your boy Toy Travis.
Let's get this box open.
I'm always prepared.
I'm gonna step away from this knife.
Yeah, I'm not going to be responsible if any Dutches are harmed in this packaging.
Yeah. Got this.
There we go. We're getting it. Dutch, watch yourself. I think we're ready. You ready to see what's in here?
Let's go. Let's see.
Let's see what Husic is all about.
Oh, we got some paper.
We got paper. We got cardboard.
Awesome.
And we got a big briefcase.
How about we turn it?
I think we need to. You ready to tilt this over?
Yes, go ahead.
Alright. Ooh, there's some packaging. You know what, Dutch? I think I'm going to help you out. Oh. Dang.
Oh my gosh, this is a box. Alright. So people can see how it looks. Look at this logo right here.
That is something. I like the packaging it comes in. That feels legit.
Alright, let's see if you can reach there. Do we know the combination to this?
Oh, I hope it's whatever it is right now. Otherwise, we're locked out. See, it kept me out.
Ooh, look at this, guys. Let's show them how it looks. Look at that. So let's take out the stuff that's in there.
Absolutely. Looks like we got a bowl.
That's that.
Yep, a little vortex bowl.
Okay.
We got. I think we have a down stem. We got tongs. We got a hose right there.
We got hose.
We got hose. We got a tray. And now we have the Mac Daddy in the middle. Let's see, how are you gonna get this bad boy out?
It looks heavy though.
It is heavy. And it's really packaged well. This is not gonna move in transit.
There you go. Hold it right there.
Yep.
Alright, let's put this box to the side. Beautiful box.
Beautiful
Put
box.
it right there to the side.
You got it.
Alright.
So we got the Husic Hookah. Pretty cool. Got a nice little speaker on it. Got the logo. Yeah, very interesting.
This we don't need. So, what the heck is this?
This is definitely very unique.
Remove this. That's the question. See if you can remove that.
Yeah, let's give it a whirl. I think it's screwed on, so I think it feels like it's loosening up.
It is.
Yep. Yeah, definitely is. It definitely. Oh, I don't think it actually goes straight through a grommet, so it is very secure. But that's how it is. I like it. I'm ready to. I think we should set it up and see what's up.
Yeah, let's put some tobacco in there. Let's put some water in here, and let's smoke this mother.
Let's see what the Husic is all about.
All right, so we got the hookah all set up. So let's go ahead and try it out.
You ready to pair up, Dutch?
Yes. So let's go to
Power
Bluetooth.
on. Now it should pop right up at the bottom.
Let's see. Should show Husic, you said. There
Yes,
you go.
there we are. Husic for your music.
It's almost there. Everything is live.
We got that ding ding.
Got the thing then, so let's put on some music here.
Hit me with them jams, Dutch.
Let's see. Anyways, we don't have the copyrights to these songs, so let's lower this down a little bit, but hey, it works.
Yeah, you know, it definitely does what it's supposed to do. It's a hookah with a speaker. It hit. You know, I got my clouds. I got some good taste from that sherbetly banana strawberry. So, you know, for what it is, you got a speaker, you got a hookah. It's a little restricted because of the type of hookah that it is, but for bringing it to the pool, for bringing it to the beach,
Yeah, definitely.
it's water resistant. I just gotta tell Dutch, don't go diving into the deep end with it.
Can't do that, man.
No.
But it is a good idea to just take it to the pool. If you just want something, you don't want to take out your expensive hookah to the pool. afraid of the glass breaking or anything like that, you can just take this little device. It's a nice little gadget. I mean, you know, it's not the like a professional hookah, but it's something you can still work with. You know
and for your more advanced smokers, the cool thing that I'm looking into doing is it's a standard grommet fitting, so you might be able to put other hookahs in there if you have a long enough downstem.
There you go.
You know, there's a shoe for every foot, there's a hookah for every smoker.
There you go, man. I like the way you put that. There we go. All right, guys, so there you have it. We did a quick unboxing of the Husic Hookah. Tell them where you can find them.
Absolutely. There you can find more information at www.husiclife.com or at Husic Life on Facebook and Instagram. That's where we found it.
Yeah, definitely. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, leave a comment if you ever heard of the Husic Hookah. You know, and you probably smoked it before. Let us know. And
don't forget to subscribe either, and make sure when you subscribe, you hit that little bell button so you can keep up to date with all the DMZ TV happenings.
Perfect. And also, we might be doing a giveaway. So let's see how things go, and we might just do a giveaway to one of the winners. So stay tuned for the review, and we'll see you till the next time.
DMZ TV, we're out.